आई एम तेजस्विता एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं हाउ रिक्रूटर्स आर फाइंडिंग राइट टैलेंट फ्रॉम द मार्केट, which are the sources they are using and how they follow the process. Why I am sharing this video? Not just because like employers, companies also get benefit. This video is going to help the candidates also. Accordingly, they can apply and they can go on a particular job portal, and whatever the ways recruiters are following, you can participate in that. So let's deep dive in the process. Now first let's talk about how recruiters are first give a preference for the sourcing. Now sourcing can be from the different platforms. हमारे यहाँ पे बहुत सारे जॉब पोर्टल्स अवेलेबल है, वेदर इट इज अ डोमेस्टिक और इंटरनेशनल मार्केट. सो जो कोई जॉब ढूंढता है, दे कैन अप्लाई ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर, दे कैन रजिस्टर देमसेल्फ ऑन द जॉब पोर्टल. नाउ जॉब पोर्टल्स आर प्लेइंग वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल बिकॉज हर जॉब पोर्टल का एक स्पेशलिटी होता है. दे आर स्पेशलाइज इन टू द पर्टिकुलर इंडस्ट्री. सो दिस इंफॉर्मेशन आर अवेयर बाय द रिक्रूटर्स कि बैंकिंग के लिए कौन सा पोर्टल यूज करना है, इंश्योरेंस के लिए कौन सा, देन नॉन आईटी, आईटी के लिए कौन सा. बट देर आर लॉट ऑफ पोर्टल्स आर अवेलेबल. इफ यू सर्च ऑन द गूगल, गिव मी द टॉप जॉब पोर्टल्स अवेलेबल इन इंडिया, आपको दे देंगे एंड कैंडिडेट्स कैन रजिस्टर देमसेल्फ, दे कैन अपडेट. Important information is that the candidate every after 1 month, if you are looking a job opportunity, you have to keep updating. So recruiters can see your CV very easily. So these portals are playing a very important role. Every recruitment agency will have 1 or 2 portals. उनके पास database होता है, but along with that they keep the portal also who are applying freshly, and if that position is suitable for that candidate, they contact them. Now the second important thing is the ATS. Now what is the ATS? Application Tracking System. ये most of the recruitment agency के पास होता ही होता है, because whatever database they are getting from the different sources, they have to save somewhere. Okay, without saving वो database बन ही नहीं पाएगा. So most of the companies also and same time recruitment agencies also, they save all the candidate database into the one platform. Now to know more about the ATS कैसे काम करता है, कैसे फंक्शन करता है, we will know more about the next video. उसके लिए मैं अलग से एक वीडियो बनाने वाली हूँ. So the next is the networking. Now networking is required everywhere, whether it is in business or whether it is in the recruitment industry. Most of the recruiters, they keep a tab on the candidates industry wise also. That's the reason उन लोग career fair attend करते हैं, they go for the meetings, they go for the different kinds of the event जहाँ पे senior higher designation के लोग आते हैं, and they keep a tab on those candidates कि how the candidate is moving from one industry to another industry, or within an industry how the person is moving from the one company to another company. And that goes always for the senior level. When it comes to the junior level requirement, like a career fair होता है, small events होते हैं. So some organization they organize the event जहाँ पे candidates को बुलाया जाता है. So that way they build the database, and this is also one of the way to build the database, you know. So networking is really important. It's both the way. Candidates also come to know about the recruiter's ability, and recruiters also come to know the candidate's ability. It's a very good combination to sourcing the candidates. Next is the social media. आजकल कौन सोशल मीडिया पे नहीं होता है. Now most of the recruiters, they believe there are good number of profiles can be fetched from the social media also. So first on top, that is the LinkedIn. LinkedIn पे आप एक job post डाल दो, number of profiles will come. If it is a paid one, तो ज़्यादा profiles आएंगे. If it is a free version, you will get the limited profile. Then same we can do the posting on the Instagram, Facebook से भी काफ़ी अच्छे responses आते हैं, Instagram से भी आते हैं. So social media also playing a very important role in the sourcing. Initially may not be, but in future, yes, after knowing a lot of postings are coming, recruiter is becoming famous, that people start connecting with them. Next is the employee referral. Now employee referral बहुत ही simple term है. एक कैंडिडेट दूसरे कैंडिडेट को रेफर कर रहा है, बट इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि किसी भी रैंडम कैंडिडेट को रेफर करना है. नो, most of the time why it is successful, because the person who's working in that particular company or any recruiter is referring any particular profile, उसका प्रोफाइल एंड जिसको वो रेफर कर रहा है उसका प्रोफाइल इज ऑलमोस्ट सेम, सो इट इज ऑलवेज इजियर टू क्रैक दैट डील। मतलब वो पोजीशन क्लोज करने के लिए जो रेफरल मिल रहा है, दैट कैंडिडेट विल बी द सुटेबल कैंडिडेट फॉर कंपनी। सो रेफरल ऑलवेज वर्क इन पॉजिटिव वे if the candidate is referring the similar profile what company is looking. The next important act is like a resume screening and the in-depth interview. Now in the resume screening, recruiters को बहुत फूक के देखना होता है कि that particular resume is really suitable for that particular role or not. उसमें उनके एजुकेशन बैकग्राउंड होता है, जॉब रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज होता है, हाउ मेनी नंबर ऑफ एम्प्लॉयज द पर्सन हैज हैंडल, लीडरशिप क्वालिटी है कि नहीं, टीम लीडर बन सकता है कि नहीं, हाउ मेनी इयर्स ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस, फैमिली बैकग्राउंड क्या है। These all information they can collect from by screening resumes and having the in-depth interview. Now in-depth interview is what? First round of interview जो recruiter or the HR people take, उसमें हर information clearly HR people ask. So after the in-depth interview, candidate का assessment होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Now recruiters they create the assessment sheet either into the Word format or the Excel format, depends on the company to company, or they have they can give the access of the ATS system to the companies also. So as I mentioned, we'll talk about the ATS system in next video. So assessment में जो recruiter ने basic information ली है, and apart from the resume, what the person has observed about the candidate, they have to create the assessment sheet. वो सब information they have to write into the remarks section. In my company, we talk about the remarks other than the basic information which we collected. So that portion is very important because recruiters is playing with the psychology. बहुत ज़रूरी होता है to asking the right question to candidate and get the information and pass on to the employer. Now next is about the reference check. Once the candidate gets selected, reference check also very important. बिकॉज सेल्स में आप रेफरेंस चेक नहीं कर रहे हो तो आपको पता ही नहीं चलेगा कि उस बंदे की क्वालिटीज क्या है। देन उसने पुराने कंपनी में काम किया है तो हाउ वाज हिज बिहेवियर, हाउ वाज हिज गुड विद द कलीग्स। सो आई विल रिक्वेस्ट टू ऑल द एम्प्लॉयर्स हु आर वाचिंग दिस वीडियो, please do the official reference check. There are a lot of companies are available in the market. उनसे आप reference check करवाओ, especially into the IT companies and the mid senior level position पे तो होना ही चाहिए. If it is a junior level position, if company can afford, they should do it. So you guys will understand कि जो बंदा आपके कंपनी में आ रहा है, whether he is really worth it to hire him on that particular role or not. The last and least, like a collaboration with the hiring manager is really important because what manager is thinking and what recruiters are giving, उनका तालमेल होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Expectations versus reality is very important. तो ये एक सिंक में चलना बहुत ज़रूरी है. एंड फाइनली गेटिंग द जॉब ऑफर. नाउ जॉब ऑफर जब मिलता है किसी कैंडिडेट को, रिक्रूटर्स ऑलवेज प्ले वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल. मैं बार बार एम्फसाइज करती हूँ बिकॉज वी वर्क एज अ मीडिएटर. हम लोग कैंडिडेट्स को कन्विंस भी करते हैं and sometimes we negotiate with the employer also, because most of the time if there is a no mediator, either candidates say no, I don't want to join this company. If the candidate is potential for that particular organization but their organization is losing good candidate, so in that scenario we come in the picture, we help them to negotiate. It's a vice versa. So guys, this way we find the top talents. Most of the recruiters are following this process only. If you think any new technique or new way we can find the candidates, recruiters, you can write me in the comment section so I can add in the next video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, like and share also. Thank you very much.